In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then select System and Updates available at the bottom. And finally click on Simple Mode under Reset. Last but not least, hit Enable and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, Easy Mode was successfully enabled. Now, if you wanna switch it off, go into Settings and click on Exit Simple button at the bottom in the middle. Then wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!